a story about giraffes' 10 fascinating facts. In the heart of the African savanna, there lived an elegant giraffe named Jerry. Jerry, with long neck and beautiful spots, often strolls gracefully across the savanna. He is a curious giraffe who loves to learn about the world around him. Jerry is not only interested in his own species, the giraffe, but also in zebras and antelopes. Look at this group of zebras, along with other animals, drinking from the waterhole. They are quite majestic, aren't they? The antelopes in the savanna are also a sight to behold. This group of antelopes is so graceful, as well as his own species, the giraffe. Jerry was particularly interested in finding tender greens and water in the African savanna, as these were essential for the well-being and healthy life of his family and friends. One day, Jerry gathered his giraffe friends to share 10 interesting facts and habits about giraffes. Jerry started off by saying, "Did you know that we giraffes are the tallest mammals in the world?" That's right. Adult males can reach up to 18 feet in height. We're so tall that we can see over most trees. The other giraffes were amazed at this fact and couldn't believe they were a part of such a magnificent species. But Jerry wasn't done yet. Even though we have long necks, we actually have the same number of vertebrae in our necks as most other mammals, which is 7, just like elephants, zebras, and humans, Jerry said. The other giraffes were surprised to learn that they have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans. Also, while giraffes have long necks, they are still too short to reach the ground to eat grass or drink water directly from a lake or river. That's why giraffes have to spread their front legs wide apart and lower their heads towards the water, bending their necks at a 90-degree angle to reach the water level. Jerry went on to share more facts, like how giraffes have a unique cardiovascular system that allows them to pump blood up their long necks to their brains. He also told them about how they are herbivores and primarily eat leaves, flowers, and fruits from trees. Did you know that we have a prehensile tongue that's up to 18 inches long? It's perfect for grabbing leaves and other vegetation, Jerry said, sticking out his tongue for emphasis. The other giraffes giggled at the sight of Jerry's tongue, but they were fascinated by this fact. Jerry also told them about the distinctive pattern of spots on their fur that is unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. We're also social animals and live in loose groups called towers or herds, Jerry added. As Jerry continued to share more facts, the other giraffes were in awe of their species. They couldn't believe that they were a part of something so incredible. Even when we're born, we're unique. We fall from a height of around 6 feet to the ground, but we're able to stand and walk within an hour of birth, Jerry said. Jerry's final facts were just as fascinating. Also, baby giraffes have a strong bond with their moms, and they will stay close to them for the first several months of their lives. Look at this calf who is showing how much he loves his mom by trying to stay as close to her as possible. He told them about how giraffes sleep for only a few minutes at a time and typically do so standing up. And finally, Jerry explained the characteristic swaying gait that giraffes have when they walk, which is caused by their long legs and necks moving in sync. After hearing all of these amazing facts and habits, the other giraffes were grateful to have a knowledgeable friend like Jerry. From that day on, they walked a little taller, feeling proud to be a part of such an incredible species. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video about elegant giraffes informative and enjoyable. I appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.